Let's do chrome nails today. Gather all supplies: gel polish, chrome powder, rhinestone glue, glitter art UV lamp and brushes. Apply double coat of similar gel polish as the chrome powder and full dry under UV lamp accordingly for 60 seconds. I use light color gel polish for the second art and dry it the same way as the first one. Then, apply top coat and dry for 30 seconds only to stick chrome powder on the nail. Use eyeshadow brush to apply chrome powder. Do not dry under UV lamp. To finish, apply top coat on the top and full dry under UV lamp for 60 seconds. That's the final look of full chrome nail art. Now, for the second art, apply matte coat on the nail as chrome does not stick on matte base, because I only want chrome on particular area, not on the full nail. Apply rhinestone glue or top coat to make the art wherever you want to stick the chrome. Make sure to dry it for 30 seconds before applying chrome. Use eyeshadow brush or silicone brush to apply chrome on the glue area. Remove any excess powder using alcohol wipes or silicone brush. To make it look better, I use glitter nail art pen and glitter gel polish and full dry for 60 seconds. At last, apply top coat and full dry for 60 seconds and you are done. Here's the final look. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.